Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful unit that I have installed. Today's hair sponsor is WowAfrican. This is my second collaboration with them. I'm obsessed with this company.
Send me your location, let's focus on.
I have a 20-inch wig in a 13x6 frontal. This is their thick density, silky straight, very deep parting space.
Communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool you, but this is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged. To understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. So won't you send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you.
Hey guys, as usual, we are not going to be using a ball cap method, even though this is like the film HD, clear, and natural hairline, all that good stuff. We're gonna finesse this wig and we're gonna make it look like we have a ball cap without. If you are new to my channel, that's what we like doing over here. So guys, this wig is fitting really nicely. It is true to ear, 13x6, very deep parting space, but you see that hairline? I'm going in and I'm changing the hairline, but I'm tweaking it to the point where it still looks like a widow's peak. So I'm cutting in like a concave style cutting and still maintaining that widow's peak, but just removing a bit extra. Why I'm doing that is because it is too far down, and when you put the ear tabs on and you match it up with the widow's peak, it will come too far on me. So I like to remove it, and it still looks really good. So I would recommend actually going in and removing a bit of that if you need to. Now guys, if you hear some crazy noises in the background, I have 5 pets, if you didn't know. Yeah, I have 2 dogs and 3 cats. So right now it's dinner time, and you know, my husband just got home, so they're anxious and they're excited. They want to spend time with him. So if you hear little footsteps in the back, that's what that is. Anywho guys, back to this install. I'm using the 𝐎𝐅𝐅 lace spray. You guys know that is my go-to. Look at this lace. It looks so amazing right away. It just melts into the hairline. I know you guys can't even see the lace on this unit, and it is definitely HD. Just so there's no confusion, I have the option that is pre-bleached and pre-plucked. So you can choose that on the website if you check the link, or you can choose it without it. But I would definitely recommend choosing the option that comes like this, because they put in the work for you. Literally, when you get it out of the box, you can put it on and you don't have to do anything. And when I say pre-bleach and pre-plucked, like, it is on a spectacular level. Like, it's not like, you know, like just lightly, it's just perfectly bleached. Like, you don't see any knots when you put it on. Like, it's just giving ready to go, like perfection. Like, some stylist, you know, styled it for you. So if you guys really, you know, need a good wig for a special event and maybe you can't install it yourself, well, I tell you this, like, you can definitely install this unit because it is pre-styled. It's literally, you put it on, you can just cut some of the lace off, and then you can see that this is just like the most beginner friendly for a sleek HD lace mount. Like, it's just effortless. I'm just styling the baby hairs. We are going a little extra today with the baby hairs. I like to switch it up every now and then, you know, try something new. I'm really liking the middle swoop. I haven't done that in a while. Right now I am applying some lace tint so I can just cover up the spots where I put the hairspray, because it does tend to leave a slight white cast. It's nothing like, you know, got to be or any of the other sprays, but it's just sometimes I notice it on camera, and this is 1080p. So yeah, I can definitely tell. So just so you guys can see it looking in its best form, I like to go in with that. But in real life, you don't need anything. It looks very natural, but for some reason on the camera, it just picks up if you have any little extra spray. So if you don't know about the lace tinted mousse, get one, girl. It's so good. You can find it on Amazon. Definitely recommend going a little bit lighter in color if you are like my complexion, because this one is a little bit too dark, so I really just put it on very sparingly.
I don't wanna fall in love over some tweets, so let's keep personal. I got a lot of cool spots that we can go. Tell me what's the move, and I got you. I'm only acting like this cause I like you. Just give me the vibe to slide in. I might make you mine by the night. So won't you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. Ride, 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 come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. Ride, 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 come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but
It's so soft, so smooth, so silky. Like, look at the softness of that. I know you guys can tell that it's very silky. It is true to the title, silky. Yes, I would say 100% silky. It comes ready to go. I didn't have to do any bleaching for this unit. This is an out of the box install. Their wigs are beautiful and they can be installed just right away. You don't have to wash it. You don't have to do any of that. It's just gorgeous. Now, it says it's thick density. The density isn't like wowing me as much as like the softness is, but nonetheless, it's still a beautiful wig. Like, it is a decent amount of hair on the unit. Now, for my preference, I wouldn't mind even more hair on it, but it's not bad. Like, it's definitely not like thin to me. The 20 inch is sitting so nicely on me. It is definitely styled length 24. What am I saying? Duh, of course it's styled length, it's a straight wig. I would say it's even longer than that. It's hitting me like where a 24 would hit me. I am loving that. I'm loving the install, I'm loving how deep the parting is. And when you get the wig out of the box, it's literally like really pre-plucked. This is like pre-plucked to another level pre-plucked, and the wig was actually styled too, so it's literally like all you have to do is take it out of the box and put it on your head. The hairs was pushed back as well, the nice clean part. So all I did was just put some powder on there because I'm not wearing a ball cap, so I wanted to give it scalp. She's definitely looking melted and put together. I am loving this unit. Can't stop running my hands through it. So soft and silky. So you can see it's very bouncy, nice, beautiful, natural luster. So the other wig that I reviewed from them was like a yaki texture, and this is like their silky texture, and oh my god, this wig is so soft. That wig was beautiful too, but I'm obsessed with it. I'm loving the fact that companies are doing like the pre-plucking, and they're actually like legit pre-plucking these wigs to make it as natural as possible, because a lot of people don't know how to pluck. I'm still learning how to pluck wigs, so anytime I don't have to pluck it, I'm like, yes, sign me up, let's go. And it looks like I did all of that, but I really didn't. I did want to mention that it did come with a pretty serious like widow's peak, and I actually cut into quite a bit of that hair because it was just like just too much for me. Like, where the wig would fit me, it would have like come too far down, so I removed that. And feel free to do that to customize your units to make it work for you, and that's what we did today. I am loving this unit, you guys. Definitely check them out. This is another banger. I would say this wig is definitely Kaviar Kez approved. I love it so much. Wig, when you move, it's gonna move with you. Like, it's gonna move and it's gonna go back in place like you want it to. Anyways, guys, that is my final thoughts on this unit. It is a 10 out of 10 for me. I love it. Can't get enough of it. You guys should check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information to WowAfrican in the description box. They make bomb.com wigs. You guys need to get on it. I love it. This is gonna be one of my favorite units for sure. I rambled on. I was closing off the video and then I got carried away again. I love you guys so much. If you made it this far into the video, you are the MVP of the day. I appreciate it. It goes a really long way. But before you go, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it, if you found it helpful, or you learned something, or you just simply enjoyed watching. I really do appreciate it. Or learn how to slay the wig without glue. That's what we do over here. Bye for now.
Na, na,